morning! So today we will presentate a hydrocarbon and its derivative material. I will presentate about Linus Pauling, Kekulé, and Lewis structure.
And I will present etuna, ethena, and formaldehyde.
Okay, before we start the presentation, we will introduce ourselves first. Starting from me, I'm Nazwa Malika Hasanah Harahap and my friends.
My name is Puja.
Okay, we will start the presentation. Shall the presentation begin?
Good morning, everyone. Today, I will be presenting about three important concepts in chemistry: Kekulé structure, Lewis structure, and Linus Pauling's bonding theory. These models help us understand how atoms bond and form molecules. The Kekulé structure was proposed by Auguste Kekulé in the 19th century to explain the structure of benzene. He suggested that benzene has 6 carbon atoms arranged in a ring with alternating single and double bonds. However, later it was discovered that all bonds in benzene are of equal length. This led to the concept of resonance, meaning the actual structure is a hybrid of 2 equivalent forms. The Lewis structure was introduced by Gilbert Lewis. It used dots to represent valence electrons. Atoms form covalent bonds by sharing electron pairs. Lewis structure helps us visualize which atoms are bonded and where lone pairs of electrons are located. For example, in water, oxygen shares electron with 2 hydrogen atoms, and the remaining electrons stay as lone pair. Lewis structure are especially helpful for small molecules. They make it easy to follow the octet rules, which states that atoms tend to have 8 electrons in their outer shell. This model also helps us understand the difference between single, double, and triple bonds. Moreover, it is the basis for the Lewis structure are especially helpful for small molecules. They make it easy to follow the octet rule, which states that atoms tend to have 8 electrons in their outer shell. This model also helps us understand the difference between single, double, and triple bonds. Moreover, it is the basis for the VSAPR theory, which predicts molecular shapes. Linus Pauling expanded on bonding theory using quantum principle. He introduced orbital hybridization. Linus Pauling expanded on bonding theory using quantum principles. He introduced orbital hybridization, which explains how atomic orbitals mix to form new hybrid orbitals. For example, carbon and methane form 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Pauling also explained the difference between sigma and pi bonds, which helps scientists better understand molecular geometry. Here's a quick comparison. Kekulé focused on aromatic rings and resonance. Lewis focused on valence electrons and bonding through shared pairs. Pauling focused on orbital interaction and shapes of molecule. Each model has a different purpose and they complement each other in explaining chemical bonding. In conclusion, these three theories represent the development of our understanding of chemical bonds. Kekulé gave us a basic view of aromatic compounds. Lewis provided a practical way to draw and interpret molecules, and Pauling brought in quantum ideas for more accurate 3D representation. Together, they form the foundation of modern bonding theory.
Hello everyone, I'm Puja. In this part, I will present about structure Lewis, Kekulé, and Linus Pauling, ethene, ethene, and formaldehyde. Ethene or ethylene is the simplest alkane compound consisting of 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 carbon atoms connected by a double bond. Because of this double bond, ethene is also called an understand hydrocarbon or olefin. Ethene, also known as acetylene, is an organic chemical compound that is the simplest alkene with the chemical formula C2H2. This compound has a triple bond between 2 carbon atoms, making it an understated hydrocarbon. Formaldehyde, also known as methanol, is a simple organic compound with the chemical formula CH2O, which is the simplest aldehyde. Formaldehyde is a colorless gas with a pungent odor that is flammable. This compound is flammable and has a fine, sweet, and musky odor. Ethene is also an important chemical in various industrial processes and plays a role in fruit ripening. And for the ethene is a colorless, flammable gas with a garlic-like odor. For the example is welding torch, carbistone, and pharmaceutical industry. And the last is formaldehyde is a chemical compound with a variety of use, but it also has potential hazards that need to be considered. For the example is tissue, car manufacturing, and explosive. In this structure, the electron in the outer shell of an atom are usually denoted by a dot and a cross. Each dot across represents one electron found in the outer shell of the atom. That's why the Lewis structure is also often referred to the Lewis point diagram, the electron point diagram, the Lewis point formula, or the electron point formula. For the Lewis structure on ethene or C2H4, we need to know the atomic number on C and H to look for the valence electron. The atomic of H is 1 and the atomic C is 6. The valence electron for the H is 1 and for the C is 4. And then draw 2 carbon atoms with 4 hydrogen atoms. Then you can give 2 electrons each to the carbon atom that can connect the two. Then give 1 electron each to the hydrogen atom to form an octet and a duplet. This Kekulé structure uses a line to represent covalent bonds, whether single, double, or triple. Free electron pairs can also be known in the structure. To draw the Kekulé structure on the C2H4 atom, we only need to draw a line at the point of electron dot that has been drawn on the Lewis structure. Linus Pauling molecular structure drawing are visual representation of the arrangement of atoms in a molecule, specifically with a focus of the concept of covalent bonding and hybridization. Okay, this is a C2H4 structure. To see its hybridization can be searched by saying this structure consists of 2 carbon atoms, double 2, and then 4 hydrogen atom. Simply, we can calculate short sigma of this bond. If the bond is double 2, then it consists of sigma and p. But if the single bond only consists of p, here there are 3 sigma, which mean sp2 with the shape of a planar trigonal molecule. Next, we will discuss for the Lewis structure on C2H2 or ethene. Just like the first one, we have to finger the valence electron. And the bond of 2 electrons is duplet, and then the 8th electron is octet. For the Kekulé structure is also the same, only drawing a line at the point of the electron dot drawn on the Lewis structure. A simple way can be seen from this video, which show that C2H2 is SP with a linear curved shape.
Okay, that's all from our presentation. Thank you so for listening and see you!